very good morning everyone. I know it's a very small group, but we are expecting more people. So we can do an interactive session with each other, right? So my name is Sakshi and I'm from Ozone Beauty Division, which is Ozone Pharmaceuticals. Okay. And I would like to know about you. So can you share, ma'am, where is your salon? All of you have a salon. And how about you? No, you are students? Okay. So you are studying here only. Bangalore. Bangalore only. And what interests you most in this skincare segment? Yes. Yeah, of course. With makeup, it's very important that we have to prepare our skin first very well. So we will definitely start the session, but today we are about to introduce a new range of facial kits, and can you just ask him to start the presentation? Our company, Ozone pharmaceutical based company hai, and Ozone Beauty Division, we are presenting you Ozone Professional Range today, and we believe in adding life to beauty with the power of science. So हम कहते हैं that our products are therapeutic and cosmeceutical. Why therapeutic? Because all the products which are made in our company, they are extracted with 100% organic actives enriched, and all these products which are used on the skin, which is why even before the makeup and everything जो हमारे inside है, that reflects on the skin, right? So let's say I'll give you an example. When you're very angry, skin पे आता है, कैसे आपके face पे आ जाता है? Because your skin becomes red. When you are feeling very low, or your hemoglobin is low, your skin looks very pale. It reflects on the skin. When you are feeling very anxious, then also you become very, your skin looks very dry and very worried. Everything what's working inside comes on the skin. So skin is the largest organ of the body. What connects us more? Skin. And I would like to tell you one more thing, that जितना भी आप लोग ध्यान से सुनेंगे, we all have gifts, special gifts for you. So you have to answer this very well in the end. So skin is the most important organ of the body, and that's what we believe in skincare. That's why we say that our products are therapeutic yet cosmeceuticals. Coming to from where we belong, we are a pharmaceutical based company. So अगर हम ये देखते हैं कि we have pharma based company, that means that whatever products which we have made are made with the interest of doctors, scientists and cosmetologists involved in the making of the product. So we proudly say that we are a 31-year-old company, and we are backed up by a pharmaceutical base where we have medicines for cardiologists, we have medicines for the gynaes, and वही सब medicines recommend करते हैं to the people who are in need. So we are one of the most top companies in prescription. So मैं आपसे ये बात इसलिए बोल रही हूँ because it's very important that you understand that from where we belong. So if you see, excuse me. So, who all know about Ozone as a skincare brand? Ma'am, you are using, what is the best thing you like about us?
को हाइड्रेट करता है, ग्लोइंग देता है और रिजल्ट भी बहुत अच्छा है। मैं 2-3 साल से ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ, अमेजिंग रिजल्ट है। सब क्लाइंट्स बोलते हैं बहुत अच्छा फेशियल है।
जितने भी लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, नो द क्वांटिटी इज वेरी लो, बट दे विल चेरिश द प्रोडक्ट, विल सी व्हाट द रिजल्ट इज टुडे। एंड जो लोग लकी लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, उन्हीं में से वी विल डिसाइड दैट one person will come here who will be ready for take the demonstration on them. Coming back to where we belong, so our company is a 31-year-old company. We have touched almost 50 million lives, and all the products which are made are 100% organic, active and rich products. So what is the difference between organic, active and herbal? इसमें भी difference होता है, herbal, organic, natural. So organic, active is something that whatever the product which we take, we do not just take the extract, we take the seeds extract, जिससे lemon बनता है, और maybe जिससे हम aloe vera use कर रहे हैं. So the base from where the product is grown, we take the extract, and the extract is used in the making of the product. So that's why we say that we are 100% organic, active and rich product. All our facial treatments which we are having are age and skin specific. Do you think that a product which is used on the baby can be used on an adult also, or vice versa? छोटे बच्चे पे जो हम product use करते हैं, that cannot be used on, that will not be very beneficial. It will just give you a simple hydration. So it's very important that what we use on our product or on our skin is as per the skin concern and as per the skin type. हम लोग बहुत से products आते हैं कंपनी में, we have seen, but the only thing is that we are not able to make the most of it, because कभी-कभी क्या होता है, the products आपके स्किन को सूट नहीं करते, and just to try, we try a lot of things, we do not see that what we need. So it's very important that for your customers also, when आपके salon पे लोग आ रहे हैं, you understand, you consult them well. That's what the role of a beautician is. Even for the makeup artists, you consult them very well. What is your skin type? What is the pH balance? How is your skin reacting? What is the, when you do the contouring also, that is also very important. So understanding of the skin and skin type as per the pH level, what is the hydration level, because in makeup also you have to prepare your skin. And if the client को अगर आप, if you have a bridal set and you उनको आप पहले ही 10 days पहले you give them a good serum to use, so that is also a preparation, and that's what we bring you with our products, the preparation, and wherein we are introducing a brightening range of facial, which is vitamin C facial kit and the tan facial kit. So we can have a little bit of round of applause. Thank you. So this is something we are actually very known for what the products we are having. The product line which we are having is age and skin specific facial treatment, as I told you. Then we have a glow radiance range. So we are trying to cater all type of skin types, all type of skin concerns with the palette what we are having, and we have also extended our range into beauty, into the body segment like manicure, pedicure. Then we have introduced wax also. So all the products which we are having in our portfolio, which is you can see at stall number 422, is just near to the adult hair stage. You can feel the product. You can come and see, experience how our polisher works. We are not giving very harsh scrubs. It is a very soft scrub, all mild serums we are using, and it's very important that whatever we are using on the skin should absorb well, and that's what we are very proud of, and that's what our products deliver. So we can start with the vitamin C kit. So first of all, I would like one of you to come. So I'm going to introduce Kumari also. She's our regional technical head here, and she looks after how the product is being taught to the beauticians and how they are using it with full knowledge, and skin consultancies, which is the most important thing which we believe is there to understand all the beauticians.
Good morning. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಹಾಸನ್, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ, ರಾಣಿಬೆನ್ನೂರು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು. ಸರಿ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಓಸೋನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ. ಹುಬ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು? ರಾಣಿಬೆನ್ನೂರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ನಾವಿವತ್ತು ಹೊಸ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟಿ-ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್. ಅದು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಟಿ-ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಟಿ-ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟಿ-ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಡಿಸ್ಕಲರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಡಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋಂಥವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಮ್ಮರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಆಚೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಓಡಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಂಥವ್ರು. ಅಂಥವರಿಗೆ ನಾವೀಗ ಟಿ-ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ನ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್. ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಲಾಜಿನ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸನ್ಬರ್ನಿಂದ ಅದೇ ಮೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಗ ಸಮ್ಮರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸನ್ಬರ್ನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರ ನೀವು, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಾ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೈಬಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ದಾಸವಾಳ ಹೈಬಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ ಹೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಏಜಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈಬಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಆಮ್ಲ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗೂಸ್ಬೆರಿ, ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ, ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ನೆಲ್ಲಿಕಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಕೋರೈಸು, ಸ್ಯಾಫ್ರಾನು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ ಫ್ರೂಟು, ತುಂಬಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಏಜಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೋಮ್ ಕೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಸಿರಮ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 5 ಆರೆಂಜು, ನಾವು ಕಕಾಡೋ ಪ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆರೆಂಜ್ 5 ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕಕಾಡೋ ಪ್ಲಮ್ 1 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಸಿರಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಸಿರಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಲೆಸ್, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಲೆಸ್. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮೇಯ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಸಿರಮ್ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಸಿರಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕ್ಲೈಂಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 100% ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಫೇಶಿಯಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ದು. ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
Why vitamin C is important? Can you tell me why vitamin C is important? Yes, please join us, ma'am. Vitamin C क्यों खाना चाहिए? Why it's important? Yes, and it keeps you glowing. Yes, it's a very important antioxidant. It's a very important antioxidant for the health, and that's why we are giving it this kit vitamin C. And apart from that, we are having, once the facial, you get into the facial, it's important that we have vitamin C serum also we apply on the skin. Someone who has an open pores, someone who has an inflammation, जिसके थोड़े से हल्के से pigmentation शुरू हो रही है, just started developing, for that person you can start using vitamin C. But अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है wrinkles की, अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है dullness जो sagging skin की, then there is another facial for that. So it's very important that what we choose for a client has to be very specific. So that's why we say that we are age and skin specific facial treatments, and we deliver you a custom made products as per the skin type and skin concern. So now we are preparing her face. Ozone, have you used Ozone? No. So I'm very happy that she's there on the stage because it's going to be her first time and she'll be getting acquainted with our products. I'm sure you will like it and she will become a very good customer of ours. A lot of people at the time of cleansing don't remove the eye makeup properly and it leads to पूरा face पे facial हो जाता है and then still there is some darkness left inside the eye area. So it's very important that we cleanse the face very well and there is a procedure to it which Kumari will be showing to you. And also for that we have at stall number 422 we have a Hydra Skin Cleanser which is a water based cleanser and it just removes the mark of a pen also. It's that clear. So you can try, we are giving that trial also. You can come at stall number 422 and try the product. And it's very important for a normal makeup remover as well. So it cleanses the face very well. And it has extracts of aloe vera in that. Very pure. You can just feel the fragrance also. Ma'am, आपने किया है वहाँ पे, so you really like the product. Can you just zoom towards the face?
Yeah.
So we'll be cleaning the face first. Why do we say adding life to beauty with the power of science? Because we have a science-backed approach and it's very important that we understand that how our skin cells work. How our skin cells are made. कैसे दिखते कैसे skin cells? Skin cells कैसे दिखते हैं? Like this, yes. So, because our skin is very porous, it's a very important point which I would like to share. There are two types of absorptions on the skin. One is intracellular and one is intercellular. So in intracellular absorption what happens? After whatever product you are applying, when we ask them to leave the product in the night, it's just, extracts it very well. Absorption is very fast in intracellular products, absorption. जब product apply किया, आप बहुत बार होता है रात को लगाते हैं and in the morning when you get up, you don't feel anything but you feel nourished. This happens because of the intracellular absorption. When it's intercellular absorption, because we have layers in the skin, how many layers do we have? 7 layers, yes. So when the product is dripped in the skin, especially a serum, it will go like this और धीरे धीरे वो आपके जहाँ पे आपका स्किन का बेस है 7th layer तक जाता है, dermal layer तक जाता है. That is the intercellular absorption. Both the absorptions are important as per the product type, but what we are giving you here in our products, so we have a serum and she will come to the step of the serum. And of course, in the facial serum which we are having, this is for home care. This is an intracellular absorption because it's a little bit of oil-based serum as well, right? So, but very lightweight oil. So, ये आपका intracellular absorption से पूरा deep जाएगा and it will work on where the problematic area is. It will work on the skin.
ಸೊ ನಾನೀಗ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಫೇಶಿಯಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೀಪ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸರ್, ನಾನು ನಂಬರ್ 1ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಪ್ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನ, ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
The most important ingredient in this is grapefruit extract in vitamin C kit. So grapefruit extract is something which will give you the, like 10 oranges are there and you squeeze it. That's the beauty we are having in this vitamin C. So first step is the deep purifying cleanser. It will purify your skin, it will cleanse your skin. Also we are having mulberry extract in this. So the cleansing of the face has been done. Deep cleansing, and tan is also being removed. We do not say that the most important thing is one more, that it's very important that you regularly use the product. कुछ भी आप दवाई खाते हैं, they always say this, that there's a difference between a homeopathic medicine and an allopathic medicine. Both are good, both are important, but a homeopathic will always work on the root cause. It will always remove the chronic pain. That's what our products deliver. It's very important that you use the products from the root. It improves your skin health. So our products will work on health, care, maintenance, protection, enhancement and correction of the skin. So whatever problems you are having, it will cater to it. And whatever problems can come as per the skin, the skin age increases, it will also make it improve, make it healthier and softer.
So second step is a scrub, tender scrub. Skin na tumba soft, tender ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So exfoliate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗೂಸ್ಬೆ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ grape juice ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈಗ, that ingredients is with mulberry fruit extract.
Scrubbing should also be done with soap. Yes, I will welcome to ask questions also.
Use you can use before this.
Yes. You can use before T-tan. You can use a T-tan cleanser. So if you talk about Ozone's T-tan cleanser, Ozone's facial T-tan cleanser is a cream-based cleanser. You have to just apply it on the skin, leave it for 10 to 12 minutes, and then massage with the tips. Very soft massage. The most important products which we are having in the T-tan facial cleanser is a milk acid, a shea butter and cucumber. Milk acid will act on where the parts have been tanned and where the sun damage is being done on the skin. Then cucumber will give you coolness, and shea butter will not let your skin dry. And if I say that if you come at stall number 422 and see the T-tan facial cleanser, we are one of the best with this MCS formula. So you will not feel any dryness. Most of the T-tan after usage, you feel the dryness in the skin. Yes, you feel that, but you will not experience that in Ozone's facial T-tan cleanser. So you can please come and see there. And we have also introduced a T-tan face wash, scrub and pack separately also, wherein you can anything like I said which is used consistently is very important कि हम consistently उसको use करें. Consistent use करने से क्या होता है that it will start affecting on your skin and will show the results as well. So on that basis only we have introduced a T-tan facial kit also. It's one of our brightening range of facials, T-tan and vitamin C. That's what we will be sharing with you today. T-tan also has similar steps to it, and it will actually act on the bad effects of sun damage on your skin. This will act on the where your skin is damaged and it has open pores, it has a little bit of inflammation, that's where vitamin C facial kit comes. So do you, next, what step would be there next after scrub? Gel. Gel? That's right, we'll be using a gel. Serum here we'll be using later on. There is a reason to it. Because once we are preparing the skin again, like I said, we want an intracellular absorption. So that's why जब हम बाद में इसको यूज़ करेंगे तो आपका स्किन पे सीरम, क्योंकि जितना हम स्किन को साथ स्क्रब करके खोलेंगे तो आपके पोर्स ओपन हो रहे हैं and we'll be extracting more of the product inside the skin, and that's what where we have to work on. What is the first thing you see in a person's face when they enter? Skin. So that's why skin care is so much important and the range of facials is so much important. And you are the lucky ones who are sitting here because it's important कि hair को हम roll कर सकते हैं. We use all heat tools again. We are damaging the hair. And before we use the makeup also, it's very important. I know these days safe makeup is also introduced. But it's important that our skin looks flawless and our skin looks very healthy. So what we deliver through our range of products is healthy skin. We're not talking about darker or fairer, but just a healthy skin.
So, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ 5 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಓಝೋನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
I didn't understand the word.
No. मैं बोला अच्छे से सुनो, तो बाद में क्वेश्चन पूछेगा.
Yes. She's, yeah.
Number 3, aromatic massage gel. Aromatic massage, aroma ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಫ್ರೇಗ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ರೈನಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೋಲ್ ಕೂಡ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಪ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ನ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾದ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೇಗ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಬ್ಕೋ ಬಾತ್
you can feel the fragrance and little bit of product is left in this. So anybody who would like to see, it's a pure saffron extract, which is called kesar in Hindi. Pure saffron extract, which will soothe your skin. So these products will give you. We are working on boosting the collagen inside, micro blood circulation through the hand tips which she is using on the skin, to the circulation. So please see very carefully. Can you zoom on the, yes. If you see properly, the strokes which she is using all the pressure points from here. So every part of the skin which is affected on your skin, maybe on the cheek area or the forehead area or the T-zone, it all reflects on how healthy your internal body is. For example, if someone has, they say, spots or pimples on the lower area, the lungs is not functioning properly. Yes. अभी जो हम कर रहे हैं, we are putting a pressure on the lymphatic nodes and we are detoxifying it through. When you press it from hair to hair, it will detoxify. This part is very important for reducing the fine lines. So the mixture of the product with the strokes is what is the key to a very good facial. And it's important that when you are using your hands properly, even through the HydraFacial machines, आजकल वो बहुत चल रहा है, Even with the HydraFacial machines, it's important that when you use the machine, how you are using it and what product you are putting inside. It is just not that you start the machine और वो काम कर देगा आपके skin पे. So this area is also, we have notes in this area. This area is also very important where we put the pressure and release the toxins. The toxin release is very important in a facial. That's why they say that in every 10 to 15 days you should get a facial done.
So the step barrier functions lock ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, hook ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So we remove the barrier function hook now, the blood circulation will be proper in the skin. So the step is for removing the hook. Use only 2 fingers. Don't use.
It's important. These days, facial yoga and facial massage by doing self is also very in these days. But it's important that how a beautician does it, how a therapist does it. That will be more effective. जैसे हम कहते हैं कि people are using things on at home also. But the experience which they get when they come to you in a salon, जो जिस तरीके से आप उनका facial करते हैं, that will not match on how you are doing by yourself.
So this is pressure point for a headache. ದಿನ ತಲೆನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, migraine we call. So system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, working people. So ನೀವು ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನ facial massage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ they will feel relaxed and every day ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಟಿಪ್ನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. Every day 30 seconds they have to do this massage at home. In facial also you have to use this step. They will feel more relaxed for a headache. So press your eyebrows middle part, center part, like bindi elli ittiralla alli. So clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, anti-clockwise, press.
I have already started feeling the difference in her skin. Are you able to see? The before she was and now, there is a difference in the skin now. So the more you ask your client, one more important tip I would like to share. When you are doing a consultancy with your client and when you are talking to them about the facial, it's always important that you book another facial with them. Maybe आप बातों में कह सकते हैं when next you want to come. So it's always important that in 15 days or a gap of circle of 10 to 12 days, you should ask them to come.
So next, number 4, brightening massage cream. So this is give the brightening. Licorice is there, saffron is there.
This is pure grapefruit brightening massage cream with the grapeseed oil extracts. So the seed. So like I said initially, that we are not just using the extract or we are just squeezing the lemon and using it on the facial. We are using the seed from where it is grown. That is what known as 100% organic active enriched product. So that's what we say, that we are 100% organic actives. We have no chemicals. Yes, we have preservatives at 0.02% to maintain the shelf life of the product. Otherwise, you cannot even pack the 100% organic product. So that's why the actives come in the picture. And all our products are made from the doctors and scientists involved in the making of the product, because we are backed up by a pharmaceutical company, which we are very proud of. And the products which we are having, there are a lot of other products also. When you come at stall number 422, these all products are very good for hypersensitive skin and hypoallergy skin also. Even जिनके स्किन पे बहुत ज़्यादा पिंपल्स होते हैं, उनके लिए भी हमारे पास ट्रीटमेंट है विच इज़ वेरी नोन ट्रीटमेंट विद एक्ने हीलिंग फेशियल विच वी आर हैविंग. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट फर्स्ट वी ट्रीट द एक्ने and then we ask you, okay, now if you have a tanned skin, or if you have blemishes left, or if you have acne scars left, then we can shift to the other products. So identify the skin type first and then recommend the facial. You can see how she is using the massage cream and how she is absorbing the product. She has not taken even a drop of water. बिल्कुल भी नहीं है इसमें. And this you will see that it will absorb into. Now this is a method of a intercellular absorption, not an intracellular. Why? Because she is massaging it through the skin cells. So the product extract is going like this into the skin. It's falling inside, and then it will go deeper to the last layer. So we proudly say that जो serums है हमारे, which is an extract of 32 plants, and we are the first company wherein we launched this supramolecular technology. So after that, when we use the massage cream, the scrubbing के बाद आपके pores खुल गए, when you use the serum, and then after that you use the massage cream, it will again absorb to the deepest layer. So that is there in our treatments. But in this, we are using the massage cream before the gel or the serum, because we want that the intracellular absorption should be there through this, and then we apply the serum, which will give you a glass sheen effect. The difference between the two kits is that vitamin C will work on the damaged, which is already damaged, right? But D-Tan will work on the initial stages जहाँ से आपको sun से आपकी skin खराब हो रही है, वहाँ पे हमारा D-Tan comes into the picture, D-Tan facial kit. Her face is actually looking very nice. So see, we have used the massage cream, not even a drop of water. That's the beauty of the product. That it's such a you are not using water again and again to emulsify. The emulsification is done through the hands only. And one more important thing, that it's not necessary that every time you are doing a facial, you take water or you try to use a toner. It's important.
So number 5, rejuvenating serum. Serum use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, rejuvenate ಮಾಡೋದು. Serum actually number 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, so ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ರಬ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This is number 5 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ, serum ಯಾಕೆ 5th ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So rejuvenate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಶೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲಾಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
For shine we are using the serum after the massage cream. And one thing I would like to give you a tip, try करके आप देखना अपने पार्लर्स में that you do the massage after applying mask, and you leave the skin. थोड़ा सा you will feel the client will feel chip, but you can just remove and dab the extra oil of the massage with the tissue, but it will give you a glass-like effect for the next 2 days. So you can try. This is a free tip from my side.
So we have to penetrate the serum. So serum ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವು ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪೆನೆಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಡೀಪರ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆನೆಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸಿರಮ್. ಸೊ ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸುಪ್ರಾ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಸಿರಮ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈಡ್ರಾ ಫೇಶಿಯಲಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಹೈಡ್ರಾ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮದು ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ10 ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೈಡ್ರಾ.
She's using the fingers like this because it's important that we tap the product. Tapping on the skin is important. Any product these days which you're using, you should always use the tap method. Whatever little amount of massage cream was left, it's now absorbing with the serum. And within 2 minutes, it will emulsify and it will go inside the skin. How are you feeling now? Pregnant?
ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಸಲ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಉರಿತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರು. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆ ಥರ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಡೋಣಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ
ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್.
ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಲು ತುಂಬ ಏನು ಲೈಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Thank you so much, ma'am. She's liking the product so much that she wants to eat it.
ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ.
So the last step is a peel off mask.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪೀಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಮಿನರಲ್ ವಾಟರೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡು. ಬಟ್ ಹಾಟ್ ವಾಟರು ಪೀಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕಿಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಲೈಕ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ನೀವು ಕುಡಿತೀರಲ್ಲ ಮಿನರಲ್ ವಾಟರ್, ರೋಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ.
You can use both water or rose water. Rose water would be better because rose water के अंदर extract एक अच्छा होता है. And if you are able to use 100% pure distilled rose water, that is the best. So you can see she is mixing it very well. You can just can you see on the screen? Can you zoom in? Little bit of water and then she is mixing it well. Again, it's a pure orange extract with vitamin C. Mask will tighten your skin, and it will, जो भी आपने इसमें whatever the massage cream and the ingredients which we have used, it will make the skin much deeper after the application of the mask. Use it with very fast hands and then apply first towards the forehead and then from top to bottom towards the chin. The application has to be very neat and clean. If your client is not comfortable on the eye area, so you can avoid. So till the time she is applying the mask, I will ask, we'll take just last 5 minutes and we will ask few questions. So do you want to have free gifts? A little bit louder. Yes, ma'am, please, then you have to come in front. I don't know how much have you, you were hearing about our the seminar, but are you a user of ozone? You have a salon. You're planning to open. Okay, please have a seat. Okay, so tell me, in ozone, what kind of products we are using? Are we organic, are we natural, or are we herbal? Organic. This is not the right word. No. There's one more thing which I add with organic every time. What is that? Organic essentials. Okay, I can give you that. Please come on the stage and please give a round of applause to her. It's 100% organic essentials. It is actually 100% organic active essentials. But yes, you were listening to us very properly. Congratulations. You can come here and have a picture. Please visit us at stall number 422 to know more about the products. Okay, now the second question is, what is the main ingredient in vitamin C kit? Raise your hand. Mulberry and grape seeds. I think is the right answer, Kumari? Yes. Congratulations. Thank you for attending and listening to us. Which step number is the serum? 5th? Step number 5. I'm glad you answered, ma'am. Congratulations. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. What do we have in our D-tan? There are 3 ingredients which we have in our D-tan. 3 ingredients which we have in our D-tan, the most important ingredients. Okay, 2 are correct out of the 3. It's milk acid, cucumber and shea butter. So give it a big round of applause. Congratulations. So we can see this is also drying, but it will take about 10 more minutes to see the proper result. 5 more minutes? Okay. So we'll be sitting here only. You can see the result on our face after some time. Can we wait? Can we wait? Okay. It will take 5 minutes more. How can we remove her like this? down only. In front of you only we'll remove.
She can't stand. She can't come. Her eyes is closed. 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Her eyes is closed. How can she come down?
Okay, so the last question. How many steps are there in vitamin C? All steps. Okay.
Geeta, 6 steps.
You have to name all of them. You have to name all the steps.
Explain Marla.
Madi.
First cleansing, scrubbing, aroma gel, massage cream, serum, mask, peel off mask.
Very good. Congratulations. Now the last gift is yours. Okay. So thank you so much for listening to us, and I hope that you will like the product. You will be able to see the result within 10 minutes. We have been forced to shift. We will be helping you, ma'am, taking you down also, because there's the next session coming up. And to see the more products, you can please visit at stall number 422. Thank you so much. And a big round of applause for ma'am and Kumari.
Thank you.
Thank you.
2 more minutes. Okay.
We got 2 more minutes. For the people who have joined us right now, how many of you know Ozone? Are you a user? What is the best thing you like about the product? D-Tan. And what else? Gold Kit. Anybody has used Glow Radiance range? It's a luxury facial, which you can say. The starting of the kit is from 5,000, but in the facial also, when you use the facial at your salon with the Hydra machine, you can charge around more than 3,000 to 3,500 for a facial, because we have a very long 8 to 10 steps in this Glow Radiance facial. So I'll make a brief about what we have. We have 3 types of facials in the whole kit. It's a customized kit of about 14 products, and this range is designed according to the skin type, which is about as per the pH level of the skin. pH level of the skin, everybody understands the hydration level on which the skin has. So as per 3 types, like normal to oily, normal the combination, and normal to dry, we have the range of products. To know more and understand about the range, you can visit us at stall number 422. It's a beautiful looking product wherein we talk about Glow Radiance, a gift, which you can give your skin a glow like never before. So we have 3 ranges: Lumen 1000, Lumen 2000, and Lumen 3000. Lumen 3000 is we say that it's skin rebirth with luminosity, because we are only working on luminous skin. For this, we are working on if there is a problem in the skin wherein there is no collagen boosting, when there is a little bit of spots. So actually, ma'am, the result is very good on your face. Yes. So you can see. Can you zoom over the face, please? And the smile is making it look more prettier. So there is nothing now, just remove the mask. There is no, a sunscreen, there is no moisturizer, and still her skin looks very hydrating and plumping. So that's the beauty of the vitamin C kit, which is relating to the spotless skin. That's why we say vitamin C is for a bright, free, spotless complexion. Please give it a round of applause. mild water. You just wipe the face to remove the mask and you're good to go. The mask will not break. It's very easy to remove as well. The face is ready and you can have a look. Our model, and she looks so fresh and bright with vitamin C facial kit.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪು ನನಗೆ ಅದು ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫೀಲ್, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ತುಂಬ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನನಗಿಂದು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ನಂಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು